Assalamu alaikum. This is Natasha Sethi, and you're watching the biggest content writing mistakes lecture. If you're a writer, you have poured your heart and soul into crafting a piece of content, but it's littered with errors. Then what happens? Your audience may struggle to understand your message, and worse, they might perceive your work as unprofessional. So, why is grammar and spelling so important? Firstly, errors can undermine your credibility. Imagine reading a news article with spelling mistakes or a business proposal riddled with grammar errors. Would you trust the information presented? Probably not. Secondly, clear communication is the key. Proper grammar ensures that your message is conveyed accurately and effectively. It eliminates confusion and ensures that your audience grasps your intended meaning. Now, let's talk about solutions. Proofreading is essential. Take the time to review your work carefully, checking for any grammar or spelling mistakes. Additionally, consider using grammar checking tools. These tools can help you identify and correct errors that you might have missed. Let's have use of weak headlines. Weak headlines represent a missed opportunity. They are the first interaction with readers if they lack allure or fail to convey the central idea. Readers might disregard your content altogether. So, crafting captivating headlines is crucial. They should intrigue and entice, prompting readers to delve deeper. A strong headline grabs attention and sets the tone, paving the way for meaningful engagement with your content. Lack of clear structure. Imagine you're constructing a building without a solid blueprint. It would be chaos, right? The same goes for your content. Lack of clear structure is like building without a plan. You need a logical flow with headings and subheadings, guiding your readers smoothly from one point to the next. Without this, your message gets lost in the clutter. It's like trying to find your way in a maze with no map. So take the time to organize your thoughts. Trust me, your reader will thank you for it. Next, we have also absence of originality. Absence of creativity can lead to a significant pitfall in your work. Simply replicating content without injecting fresh perspectives or adding value can be detrimental to your credibility. Imagine a world where every piece of content is a mere copy of what already exists. It's uninspiring, isn't it? So, truly stand out and make an impact, you must aim for uniqueness and innovation. Don't settle for mediocrity. Strive to offer something that hasn't been seen or heard before. So, the next time you sit down to create, ask yourself, what can I bring to the table that's different? How can I infuse my own voice and perspective into this? Remember, originality is not just a bonus, it's a necessity in today's content landscape. Dare to be different and watch your credibility soar. Last but not the least, not revising and editing. When crafting content, don't skip the crucial steps of revising and editing. Neglecting these can lead to mistakes and poorly organized material. It's essential to invest time in refining your work to ensure it's clear and cohesive. So, before releasing any content, make sure to give it the attention it deserves. Take the time to edit your work to enhance clarity and coherence. Thank you for watching. Remember me in your prayers. Natasha Sethi, Fakhre Wakalat, Allah Hafiz.